hot mess. I just woke up. My hair's all over the place. That's okay. That's life. I'm not trying to be up here looking cute every day, looking like your boo, because I'm somebody else's boo. Just being honest. But no. Right now I'm trying to get my water intake in for the day. I got half a gallon right here. It's 67 fluid ounces because 64 is technically half a gallon. So what I'm having is my sugar-free Hawaiian Punch, the berry limeade blast. It's okay. I probably won't be purchasing this one again. So I'm going to try to use those up first. And I'm drinking the collagen peptides with this because I'm trying to grow my hair out. I also have one theta trim I took. Have my little supplement box right here. I have a multivitamin. I think, what else do I have left? It's calcium, magnesium, zinc, and vitamin D all in one. Okay, so that's the other pill that I take. So that is what I have in my system right now. I don't have anything else. I'm about to go hop in the shower, and then we're gonna go to the park for a workout because I feel like I want to get outside. And it's supposed to be, it looks like it's supposed to run from tonight all the way up until next Monday. So, and I think that's the next month, to be honest with you. I think that's literally like until June, like around June 1st or whatever and stuff like that. But I wanted to go do all that. So yeah, let me go and shower, and then I'll be back. I don't want to chat too long because I need to get my life together. But we're gonna go and we're gonna work out together today. So I have my outfit on. I just got out of the shower. My hair is in a bun. I love black. Black is like my favorite color to wear. And this is where we're at today. And I showed y'all on Instagram literally yesterday where I'm at. Body wise, I did gain a little bit of weight, but my body fat percentage went down. And I'm actually getting more toned and defined and stuff like that. But yeah, your girl's in all black. I have to put my sweat belt on, and we're gonna go to the park and probably do like maybe anywhere from a mile to 3 mile walk. And then I wanna do a full park workout, and I'm gonna try to film that for y'all. Sorry, my face is like right here. But I'm trying to film that for you guys just because at the end of the day, I want to start recording my workouts. And I told y'all that I'm working on a new vlog style. And I just, want to do like quick vlogs, but, something fun, something y'all can, watch and just tune into and just have fun with me, or get some workout ideas, Okay, so I'm at the park right now. I just pulled up, skirt. I have my pre-workout, but I'm not going to take it right now just because of the fact that I don't really need it. Get my shades. I'll need it when I go ahead and pull over to like one of the, I think it's the park areas and stuff like that to see if they're taped off or not. But I don't think that they are over here. So if they're not, I'm going to go ahead and start. I'll do strength training after my walk, but I'm going to do my walk first. And if not, then I'll have to go home and do my strength training. But regardless, I have my pre-workout just in case. So yeah, let's get into it. Out here walking around at the park. Already done 2 miles. I got my sweat belt on, and I think I'm done right now. I'm gonna head home and do some strength training. Now with over 2 miles of a walk, I'm either gonna find a spot and go ahead and start on the strength training, or I'm gonna go home and go to my gym and do it. But it's been good. Definitely got sweat in, talked to my mom, catched up. And it's nice to get some sun. Anyways, I'm back home from the park. Finished like a little over 2 miles. And I'm gonna do some strength training, probably just abs and call it a day because I wanna go ahead and start, I have 2 vlogs I need to upload on my computer, and then I need to edit them and then get them uploaded to YouTube. If I can get one of the videos done before work tonight, that'd be awesome. At least edited and saved together and synced up and posted, that'd be amazing. Or if I could just get it done, edited, that way tomorrow I can upload it and it'd just be a new video for you guys. Because I've been meaning to get that done, but I haven't had a chance to. But it's a small vlog, and then I also have like a DIY coming to the channel as well, which I think is, something different, something fun. And then this will be the next video that's up. But I'm going to take my pre-workout and creatine, do some abs, and I might throw in some other stuff, but mostly just abs. And then after that, it's time to shower, and then I need to edit some videos. So I'll see y'all soon after my workout. Just finished my workout. I'm about to go have a shower and kind of throw on my clothes for work a little bit. And after that, I'm gonna upload the videos from my phone here to my computer so I can go ahead and start editing the next video that I want to post on my channel, because I have 2 of them that need to come out. So I need to get that done. So I'm about to shower and finish up the rest of this half gallon of water. And I need to refill this up so I can go ahead and get the rest of my water intake. And after I have my shower, I'm gonna have a protein shake, so I'll show you all that as well. That's the protein shake that I'm having, the salted caramel vanilla from Purist Labs. So I'm about to drink this while I sit here and upload all my footage to my computer. Once I start uploading the footage to my computer and everything like that, my phone's gonna need to sit for a minute while it does all that. And then I have some other stuff I'm gonna do. I need to pack up my lunch / dinner for work. I need to pack my lunchbox basically. And once I'm done doing that, hopefully everything will be uploaded to my computer. So I'm gonna be out for like 2.5 while everything sits here and uploads on the comp. Okay, see y'all in 2.5.